Stop scrolling. A powerful earthquake has just hit Myanmar and Thailand. Here's what you need to know. In central Myanmar, a 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck, killing at least 144 people and injuring over 700. This disaster has caused enormous damage in Mandalay and beyond, complicating rescue efforts. In Bangkok, tremors caused a high-rise building to collapse, trapping 100 workers and killing at least 7. With rescue teams on the ground and the situation rapidly evolving, stay tuned for more updates. Check the link down below for the full story.